A interesting top stock for 2026 is SSR Mining. This is a gold mining company and it's outperforming the gold miners ETF by far. It's a very interesting company. I have a investment myself. First time I've bought the stock was in the 3rd of July 2025. I bought at a price of 13 and not a long time ago the price was 26, so that's a rate of return of 100%. I've doubled my money on that one in just a matter of a few months. Then also I bought at 8 September at the price of 21, which is similar to the current price. So my average return is 40%. And you can see that it's a small dip. Well, small, it was 30% down in a matter of weeks. And now there's a strong rebound. What you could know about SSR Mining is that it's a more diversified company with operations not only in the United States but also in Turkey, Canada, Argentina, and in development, for example, Peru. Now they also are active in exploration. So I do not have very specific, extreme knowledge about gold mining stocks, but I follow a proven methodology of investing and selecting stocks that works for me. And in general, so if you have a portfolio of let's say 20 or 30 stocks, in general, I'm able to outperform the market significantly. Um, but not all selected stocks are winners. Well, SSR Mining is a winner, and I'm not very sure when I will sell, but at this moment, I'm definitely not going to sell. I'm going to hold, and I've bought at the price. The last payment transaction was at 8 September at the current price around 21. So, in terms of potential rate of return, it could really skyrocket still further, but it's very much depending, of course, based on the gold price, but also the sentiment of fear. And here it's very related to the AI investment. The market is a little bit becoming overhyped, perhaps a little bit, but there are some very interesting stocks that I'm going to share as well. And AI and gold may both be a great investment, but if AI doesn't work, gold can still work. So that's why SSR mining is still interesting. If we look at the relative performance in terms of valuation, we can see that the price earnings for next year is anticipated to be 12.5, which is 35% lower than sector median. Also, EV to EBIT is quite lower, and price to book ratio is lower, and price to cash flow is a little bit lower as well. It's still a relatively small company, 4.5 billion in market cap. In terms of financial situation, not really anything special to mention. Now, SSR Mining is really strong on growth prospects. For example, the EBIT growth anticipated to be 70%. So we have a lower valuation and a very much higher growth rate compared to sector median. So that's of course a very interesting combination. Then we also have profitability, which is much higher than sector median as well. Interesting combination of factors, you would say. SSR Silver Star Standard Resources mining could very much improve further based on the business momentum. We have Zacks Rank giving it a strong buy, and they say that their target price is around $25. And this is a little bit similar with other um, ratings, you could say, with the average price target of around 27. In terms of technical analysis, what is interesting, and this is always a little bit the same pattern to watch, is that the last price peak was around 24, and that was similar to 2020 and 2022. Then we can see a resistance line over here, and technical analysis, I think, more important for commodity stocks like gold company miners, and I think technical analysis is less important for buy and hold investments where you look at the intrinsic valuation in 5 or 10 years. I'm not going to buy and hold SSR mining for 5 years. That I am sure of, but who knows, the gold rally can persist. Now, it's interesting to see that here we have a bounce in price. What happens if it's again back to 24, and can it surpass this um, resistance line? If so, then and of course business momentum remains strong. So I mean profit and growth in profits, then perhaps it can grow in grow even further to 50% or even to the all-time high of 90%. And if we really have a gold surge and we really have panic in terms of overvaluation in AI, which is not definitely the case right now, but we will have to see how it is in development. Surely prices are high in IE stocks. So if sentiment is turning and the market is getting afraid, maybe there will be a gold rush. And then also if the gold price is keeping steadily increasing, yeah, then the all-time high will be something in the past. That's purely technical analysis. If we just look at some fundamentals related compared to the sector median, we can see that it's number 4 out of the more or less 40 companies, gold miners, silver miners. So it's really scoring very high based on factor analysis.